Hey designers, I am a game UI artist and welcome to our channel. This is our mobile game UI design series in which we will teach you to make game UI designs and game design sense. And in this first video, we'll dive deep into how gaming UIs have changed over time. We'll explore the artistry and innovation that go into each level up, from the pixelated screens of the past to the cutting-edge 3D interfaces of present. Let's start from 1960, in which first game Space War with real-time screen control interface was released with a start screen and health bar. Then Space Invader, an alien fighting game, was released with combination of two colors and a new UI element high score. From 1980 to 1990, more colors are added to the game and games become colorful with simple graphics and basic menus like you can see in Pac-Man. During 1990 to 2000, 2D graphics emerged in gaming with improved color schemes and menus with great details. UI included side-scrolling, health bars, and power-up indicators, etc. Such changes can be seen in that age games like Super Mario World, Mortal Kombat, etc. From 2000 to 2010, customizable UI feature was introduced with simple UIs, as in 2002. In the Elder Scrolls 3 Morrowind, user could rearrange the UI panels and adjust their sizes according to the need. In 2010, revolution came in mobile games with touchscreen interfaces, gesture controls, attractive and simple designs, as in Angry Birds 2009. In 2016, Clash Royale was released, in which there was swipeable interface tabs and the design was made in such a way that player can interact with only one hand. Let's explore trends in app design as well. Windows 98 was released in 1998 with limited colors using a CSS library for building interfaces that look like old UIs. Then came Web 2.0 and 3.0 respectively. In this era, colors were introduced. They used different textures in buttons like wood, metal, etc. Added shine and glossiness in interface buttons and menus. Then came iOS 7, a flat design theme. Buttons and menus became flat. Sometime later, long shadows was introduced in them. Then button with depth field came into being. Then different ISMs, inherent shadow methods started like neomorphism as soft UI, glass morphism, neo-brutalism, neon colors, 3D elements in UI, retro UI, and then bold colors, bold typography, gradients, and many more. This video ends here. Thanks for being with us. Hope you enjoyed the UI evolution journey. In the next video, we are going to start making UI, so stay connected and subscribe for further interesting videos on game UIs, and also share to those who want to learn and become game artists.